students. Today we are going to learn about articles. We have already learned about sentences, nouns and verbs. Everything we have learned. And see, articles. We know that a, and the are called articles. Again, a and the are called articles. And when we have to use the articles, means a and or the, before the sounds or before the words or before the vowel sounds, we have to use the article and before the consonant sounds, we have to use the article a. We can do some examples later. Now listen this one again. Before a vowel sound, we have to use the article and before a consonant sound, we have to use the article a, and the use of the that we can learn later. First see use of a or an, and we know that vowels a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. If any word starts with a vowel letter, then we have to use an, or we have to use the article before that sound or before the vowel sound, and before a consonant sound we have to use the article a. See some examples. We have to write B before the words that begin with vowels, and we have to write C before the words that begin with consonants. C means only with A, E, I, O, U we have to use and. See first example, duck, D-U-C-K, duck means we know that D is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound, and the word duck starts with a consonant sound, so we have to write here C. Why we have written here C? Because the word duck starts with a consonant sound, that is D. D is not a vowel, it starts with a consonant sound. And see second one, shirt. See the spelling, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. And why we have written C? Because the word shirt, and see the spelling, S is the first letter of the word shirt, so it is S is a consonant sound, so we have written C here. Again see apple. See the spelling, A-double-P-L-E, apple, and the letter or the word starts with the letter A, and A is a vowel sound. Our apple is a vowel sound, it starts with vowel, and we have to use here B before the letter. We have written B. Why? Because it starts with a vowel. And see again oven, O-V-E-N. Here also O is a vowel, so we have written B. And next bag, B-A-G, bag, and the letter starts with B, and we know that B is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so we have written here C. Again number 6, car. The letter or the word starts with the letter C, and C is not a vowel, it is a consonant sound, so we have written C. Again number 7, dash octopus, B. Why? It is a O, it starts with O, and O is a vowel sound, so we have written B here. Again next word, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. the letter, again C W, and we know that W is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so we have written C here. Again elephant, the letter, the word starts with E and E is a vowel sound, so we have written here V. See some more examples. See beta, again see some words: a glass, an orange, a girl, an aeroplane, an ice cream, a ball, a lion, an umbrella. See, we know that again a and an are articles already. We have learned that a and an are articles. And see the rules again, the rules which I have told earlier. Listen one more time. We use a or an before singular nouns, means we have to use a or an or the articles a or an before singular nouns. We cannot use a or an before plural nouns. Only with the singular nouns we have to use the articles a or an, and we do not use them before plural nouns, means already we have told that, I have told you that we cannot or we do not use the articles a or an with plural nouns or before plural nouns. Again we cannot say, see example, a glasses, we can say a glass, we cannot say a glasses, that is wrong only. And an umbrella, we cannot use an umbrellas, that is wrong. An umbrella, an apple, a glass, a book, like this we can say. Again we do not use a or an before the names of things that we cannot count, such as rice, sugar, water or ink, means we have to use the articles a or an only with countable nouns. The things which we cannot count are called uncountable, and we cannot use the article a or an before them, before such nouns, means uncountable nouns. Again say examples, we cannot say a rice, a sugar, a water or and we cannot, that is wrong only, means all these are rice, sugar or water, we cannot count. So no, we cannot use the articles a or an before such articles. Again listen one more time. A and the are called articles, and we have to use and before a vowel sound, and we have to use a before a consonant sound, and that we can learn later, and these are some of the things related with articles. The remaining topic we can learn in the next class. Thank you all of you.